So here we have the 7D24H Care 6.5 foot artificial Christmas tree. And here we have the Sharecon 6 foot premium artificial Christmas tree. In this video, I'm going to compare both of these trees to see which one is right for you. Now to start off, let's list some of the things that they have in common. They both have white lights and use the same kind of branches. The stands on the bottom are pretty much the same, but this one is a bit larger. They're also both basically the same price, so there's not much difference there. Now, the first difference is the H-Care tree only has 750 branches, where the Sharecon tree has 952 branches. This one here is a lot more sparse, and there's a lot more gaps. Now, the H-Care did come with this super nice bag that you can use to put the tree away when you're done with it, which I think was a great addition. Now, a big difference is the Sharecon tree comes with a remote, and it lets you choose between 8 different modes. The remote also lets you set a timer and change the brightness of the lights. And of course, you can turn it on and off. And everything is displayed up top here, which is super helpful. Where this one is just white and they're always on unless you unplug it. So taking all that into consideration, I think the Sharecon tree is a clear winner. And if you really want a bag like you get with the H-Care tree, then you can easily just buy one separately. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a nice artificial tree, and the addition of this bag definitely helps. But since it's the same price as the Sharecon one, which has colored lights and is a lot more fluffy, I think it's definitely the second pick.